Mr. Mickey Jimenez and Mr. Kokoy De Santos, and of course our director June Robles Lana and our co-writer Elmer Gatchalian.
So while we greet muna tayo. Yes, Miss Sue first.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, and thank you so much for being here, for making it here kahit na Friday sobrang traffic. So ayun po, sana po ma-enjoy nyo sa kung anumang paraan ng aming pelikula. Again, maraming salamat po.
Yes. So again, thank you so much for being here with us, and sana after this, spread good word for about us. So sana magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming screening. Pero yun. Yes.
Hi, good evening to everyone. Maraming salamat po for being here. Taas. Hindi, pero yung salamat, sana mag-enjoy kayo. At the same time, sana bigyan nyo sa amin yung tagal din ng inantay namin from 2021 to see this on screen, big screen. Ayun, sana ma-enjoy nyo. Maraming salamat, guys.
Yung pa ako, teka lang, nanginginig eh. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Ayun, gaya na sinabi lang, enjoy lang po natin tong pelikula. At yung nanay ko nandyan, Ma! Good luck ha! Love you! Sa lahat ng mga friends ko, syempre nandito ngayon, maraming salamat, mahal ko kayo. Mga kolokoys ko, Ma.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo. I truly appreciate your gift of presence at sana magustuhan ninyo yung ginawa namin, pinaghirapan namin.
Okay. Thank you daw from Elmer.